Cryptic messages, carrier pigeons, secret code words. Cryptography used to be cool. Now it's just computers chewing through unimaginably massive exponential numbers. Exciting for nerds, but what about the rest of us? What? Math isn't exciting for the rest of us? All we do is look for the little padlock icon in the browser. Unlocked, not secure. Locked, secure. Not exciting. In simple terms, it works like this. A key value and a big math problem or algorithm are used to jumble up the data, and then it's passed over here where another key value and an inverse algorithm unscramble it. You see, it encodes and then decodes all of your secret information. The key here is key, get it? I really am a nerd. There are two different kinds of keys, public keys and private keys. In private key algorithms, both encryption and decryption use the same key. When they're far apart physically, exchanging keys can be a problem. And if you send your key to the other person openly, anyone who intercepts it can read all of your secret information. You don't want that. The solution is public key cryptography, and it's found all over the internet. Messages encrypted using a private key can only be decrypted by the public key, but this kind of number crunching requires a whole lot of computing power and can be time consuming. So what actually happens is the first short message typically contains a new private key, which is much faster and is used from there on out. That's how SSL or secure socket layer communications work. Okay, but how does this affect you? Well, did you know most email clients can send encrypted emails? The badger has the monkey. Send. Go to the help menu in your email client to find out how. Some email servers, including Gmail, who we bashed on the other day, can operate on SSL connections, keeping messages safe for your eyes only. And of course theirs, because they store it on their server. You know your retail DVDs are encrypted, right? Hollywood went to great lengths to try and keep control of their content when the media first came out. Well, how is it you can find pirated versions on the streets of China for $3 a piece? The problem is that everything that plays a DVD has to have a way to decode it, and it was only a matter of time before someone found a way to reverse engineer it and break the encryption. Encryption's like a safe. Sure, it'll keep thieves at bay, but it won't work for very long if you let them take it home with them. But breaking the encryption on these suckers is the least of their problem. There's this thing called the internet, and it's gonna be big. Maybe you've heard of it. Are there unbreakable codes? Yeah, they're called one-time pad ciphers, and they're the kind of encryption that's used to send messages to nuclear submarines. They require lots of security, a physical exchange of information, and each different encryption can only be used once. It's a lot of work to go through, but these codes are provably unbreakable. But that won't stop people from trying. You know, gang symbols are a kind of cryptography too. You either know them and use them right, or you get shot. Because you're the only white guy in Compton dropping gang symbols on every street corner. You know, because it's cool.